Screen recording sounds simple until you capture the wrong window, the wrong screen, or spend too much time setting things up. With the latest update, Wondershare Filmora 15.4 introduces a more streamlined and efficient screen recording experience. The upgraded recorder focuses on 3 key improvements: easier setup, faster recording, and better control. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Recording modes. Filmora now offers 3 recording modes to match different needs. In full screen mode, a highlighted mask appears over available displays. Click to select the target screen and start recording instantly, especially useful in multi-monitor setups. You can select the different screens for your screen recording, like Screen 1, Screen 2. Window recording mode allows direct selection of a specific application window. The system detects and locks onto the chosen window, reducing the chance of recording the wrong content. Also, you can select the different aspect ratios like for TikTok, YouTube, rectangular, square, and even you can customize the aspect ratio. Settings and customization. The recording settings are now more centralized, making adjustments quicker and more efficient. General settings include storage location, GPU acceleration, and recording borders for improved performance and organization. Advanced recording mode. Filmora offers you 2 types of recording mode. The first one is camera screen merging. It means when you record a screen with a camera, it will merge both the screen in one clip. The second one is camera screen splitting. It will split the camera recording and screen recording in 2 different files, which is pretty handy in post-production. You can even give a name to your recording before recording begins, or you can choose the save location for the recording. Frame rate. You can record your screen in different frame rates, starting from 12 frames per second to 60 frames per second. And by click on Advanced button, you can change the bitrate and output quality. You can customize the audio channel, sample rate, bitrate, and bitrate mode. Audio source. You can select the different audio source, and it will record audio from the selected source only. Control improvements. To reduce distractions, the control bar can now be hidden during recording, keeping the screen clean. If needed, it can be quickly reopened from the taskbar. Record timer. You can set the recording timing by enabling the record timer, and it will automatically stop recording at the set timer. Shape for camera. By clicking on this icon, you can adjust the camera resolution, and you can even set the shape for the camera. You can choose between circle, square, and flip. Practical use cases. This update supports a wide range of use cases. Tutorial creators can record software demonstrations with consistent framing. Office users can capture presentations, workflows, and documentation. Content creators can produce screen-based videos with minimal setup. And multi-screen users can quickly select the correct display without confusion. While the upgrade focuses on small improvements, they significantly enhance recording efficiency and usability. With Filmora 15.4, record smarter, create faster. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora 15 tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next one!